National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, northwestern Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Centerville, or near Three Rivers, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Reports of damage have been received in Three Rivers. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern St. Joseph and northwestern Branch counties, including the following locations: Mendon, Leonidas, Fishers Lake, and Sherwood. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.